Hi, my name's Kevin from Heat Outdoors, and today we're going to show you how to construct one of our London Gas 15 kilowatt heaters. This is how it will arrive to you in the 3 packages, next day delivery or 3-day delivery. Here is our cover, which covers the gas, our stalk, our 3 main struts, our base, wheels, regulator, manual and hose. First job we're going to do is put the wheels to the base. Okay, this is our brass unit. What you can see from this base is lots of holes all the way around. Now this section here, where the 4 holes are, is where the wheels are going to go. The other parts, just here, are where these parts go. They're stabilizers. So what they'll do is you'll fix them to here, and you could put a peg in there. That's if it's on soft ground, or if you want to drill a hole into concrete or something like that to make it more stabilized so you can't move it. That's what they're for. But first of all, for construction, we're just going to put the wheels on. Okay, what we're going to do is line up the holes on the wheels to the base. So it goes like so. This one goes through here and on first. Just tighten it loosely, and the second one through there. And then what we're going to do is tighten these up. Good and tight. First part done. Next, we need to take our 3 supports, and what we have here are these 3 nuts through here, this one, and number 3. When we put these on, as you can see, these are all facing in towards the center so that we can put our steel pole on. And what we'll do is we'll do them up nice and tight now so they're stable. What we need to do now, we're going to attach this section to the 3 uprights, and these are the 6 nuts and bolts that you'll need. So you just need to undo each one of them. Let's take our first one through there and through the first hole. We can put the nut on the end of that. One, and then what we can do is through here, pull that round, and that goes into there, and then we can put another one on loosely. Once we put these 6 nuts and bolts in, and we just tighten them up, just check them because it's making our heater nice and stable. That's good. The next job to do is our gas cover. This goes over like so. Okay, let's get to the next box. What we're going to have is this one here, and inside this is the top part of the London Gas piece with all the glasses in. What we're going to do now is fix this part to the bottom. On top here is a little cap. What we need to do is just turn this over. You have your nut here, put that into there and twist that. What you do need to do is just give that little twist there. We are dealing with gas here, so that's nice and secure. Now what we're going to do is to put our hose, which goes onto the end of this pipe. This is your hose. What happens is you've got two Jubilee clips here. We're going to put that onto there. Just ease that down. Pull your Jubilee clip round. We'll do that Jubilee clip up nice and tight. Don't need to put the other one on because we're going to put the regulator on to the other end, but before we need to do that, we need to feed this pipe and this section here through the top so as it comes down and out of the bottom. You may need help with this. It's always better to have help, as one might be lifting this and the other can bring this forward to put this through. Once that's gone straight in there, this may be facing to the left, to the right, but what we need to do is to line the holes up to the front. This cover here can be in any position you like, but the front of the unit is obviously with the working part. The back of the unit is going to be where the wheels are, so you want them in opposites. Once you get them there, we have the 5 bolts that are going into the top section. One, now what we're going to do, all of our heaters come with a regulator and they're a 27mm. We're going to attach this to the gas pipe. So put that in there, good and tight, right to the end, and then what we'll do is put our Jubilee clip tighten that up nice and tight. This is the regulator. It's a 27mm that's supplied with all of Heat Outdoors heaters. Now this is in a horizontal position. With your bottle, it's a push on. So what you'll do is you'll get your bottle, push that on. Once it's on, you'll hear a click, so it's nice and secure. To release the gas, you bring that 12 o'clock and that will release the gas into the system of the heater. My advice to you, for safety reasons, if you finish with the heater, is to turn off the gas supply. Then you know the gas is off completely. It's a good safety feature and it's a good thing to remember. Lastly, when you need to change the bottle and to take the regulator off of the gas bottle, it needs to be in the horizontal position and just press that in and pull off the gas bottle, and that will release the valve. Second to last job, what we need to do is just undo this, because this heater has an electronic ignition. So what we're going to do is put a AAA battery inside here. Going to do that up. That's your electric ignition, you can hear that. Okay, so when you open up your last box, this is your hood and you'll receive a bolt like this. What we need to do is just undo this bolt. This is going to go into the top of the heater. What we're going to do is just twist that. That's going to go in there. Again, always good if someone can help you. And then this bit goes on top there. That's it, just do that up. Nice and tight. Okay, so we've turned the gas on. Now what we need to do is push the black dial in. That's releasing a little more gas than you actually need. Turn it slightly anti-clockwise. Press your ignition and you can see the little blue flame there. The pilot light is lit. Now what we need to do, come back down to the black dial and we turn that. That releases the gas. That's a London gas unit, 15 kilowatt from Heat Outdoors.